How to make money from home Canada 2021. A growing investment market. Start make money onshore site. Will match you with a portfolio that can help your money grow. Use your capital correctly because your money can do more. How to make money from home Canada 221. Time to invest online. Investors making huggy returns. Investma.tk. Will everyone is waiting. You can earn your first money already to do today. Time to invest online. We're all asking the same question. Is it a good time to? How to make money from home Canada. Create online income. Earn additional income. Hear from real people getting real result live. Twists per week. Learn about owning an online business with in our free webinar. How to make money from home Canada 221. Create online income. Earn addition additional earn additional income. Hear from real people getting real results. Live tweaks per week. Learn about owning an online business with in our free webinar. How to make money from Canada. Win $10,000 over $10,000 plus in cash prizes. Vehicle media. Submit for a chance to win cash prizes, experiences, donations, and more. Inter-themed. How to make money from Canada. 12 way to make money online in Canada honors. How to make money from home Canada. 16 best ways to make money online in Canada. 16 best ways to make online in Canada 2021. 1. Affiliate marketing. 2. Amazon FBA. 3. Drop shipping. 4. Online service. 5. Sell telephone. How to make money from Canada 2021. How to make extra money in Canada without a second job. Updated March 7 to 2021. There are always new ways to make money. Get some ideas delivered straight to your inbox with the sex watch panel. Do you call Sexman home? How to make money from home Canada. How to earn extra money from home in 2021. GradyRates.ca. 5 days ago, 10 side hostels to help you make money from home. The number of workers in Canada gig economy has reached. How to make money from Canada 2021. 16 ways to make money online in 2020. Maple money. If you want to make money online, it's going to take will to make more. Last updated February 1 2021. From candidates. Kiji is great because it's free to list things for sale. And the how to make money from home Canada. 20 best ways to make money from home in 2021. Gathering dreams. 2 March 2021. Want to make money from home? Learn how to make up $100,000 a year working from home, starting with little to number. How to make money from Canada home 2021. High paying side hostels in Canada in 2021. YouTube World Scholarship from 25 November 2020. How to make money from Canada home. How to make money online in Canada. 99 awesome ways 2021. YouTube Wealth awesome 2 weeks ago. How to make money online from Canada. Make $100 hour from home. Make $15 hour from your coach. How to make money from home Canada. This is a work from home job offer. You always expected no time investors. Imagine working from home whenever you want to with no boss. How to make money from Canada home 2021. हो गया स्टॉप कैसे कर
स्टॉप कर दी
नहीं
बोलते जा रहे
कोई बात नहीं क्रॉप कर लेंगे